Elevate perspective, orchestrate transformation. Reinvent tradition, pioneer distinction. Geili machinery, metallurgical heavy equipment. Forge brilliance. Define the undiscovered. 2 decades of tempered striving. Geili Machinery Group continues to gather brand strength, laying out global strategy in the Belt and Road Initiative. Seeking opportunities in international cooperation. Plowing into the markets of Southeast Asia, South Asia, Central Asia, Middle East, and Africa, and actively exploring the emerging markets of North America and South America. In the innovative heartland of Xianyu, Fujian, Geili Machinery Group Company, Ltd., deep plowing metallurgical equipment manufacturing field. Geili Machinery Group is a manufacturer of machinery and equipment and supporting services in steel industry, which mainly engaged in various production rolling lines and complete technical equipment. Since establishment, the group has developed from small machinery manufacturing factory to a national high-tech enterprise in rhythm with progress. Forging excellence, engineering supremacy. We have won many patent technologies and a national specialized and new rating, and have been awarded the certificate of high-tech technology enterprise. We develop optimal solutions for our customers with continuous breakthroughs in technology field, from China to the world. The group has followed the country's strategy of going out. It has successfully covered more than 60 countries and established over 100 production lines, which including bar steel, wire rod, section steel, and billet production lines, etc. Innovation creates classics.
I go through 4 parts to do introduction.
With the innovation mode of specialization innovation, daring to be the first. We continuously provide key technology and equipment for the development of market quality, from design to implementation, from production to delivery. We are consistent to provide customers with strong guarantees. Geili Machinery Group. We focus on steel making and rolling production lines, complete technical equipment, rollers and rolling mills, high-pressure oil cylinders, complete hydraulic system and electrical automation, development and manufacturing of model steel and steel structures. We have established a systematic and refined production system to make the production line smarter and more reliable. We create greater value for our customers with pre-sale to after-sale general contracting services to create greater value for customers.
Geili.
With decades of concentration, we exemplify our determination and perseverance in serving the steel industry.
给文化差异以融合之力，给机械人铁以服务温度，让世界听见中国制造的给力之声。
From the beginning of building a dream, from minor enterprise to the industry well known, to manufacturing pioneering, technological innovation to achieve the future. Geili Machinery Group, keep pace with the times and the world.